Okay. So now I see you guys and I greeted you. Say, ndewo no aha Kwinet Ogochukwu Ohaya. Okay, say, how are you? Kedika ono mere. How are you all doing? This is a direct question, and I'm looking at you guys asking the question. Then one of you or all of you can answer at the same time, or one of you can represent and say, we are fine. Anye, and we means anye demma. And you have to know your pronouns to be able to do this. Okay? You have to know the pronouns to be able to do it. Then if I ask you, kedoka imere? Remember I told you 2 letters. It's what you're going to be used to be answering questions regarding yourself. Possessive. Adam. If it's another person, how is your sibling? How is your friend? How is your mom? All them. All them. That is he, she, it. But Adam. Adam. I am fine. She is all the. He, all the. It, all the. Now, us, we are fine. Anye, they are fine. Ha, you need to go over your pronouns, everybody. Ha, them. Ha, them. Okay, then, if you want to say, you are, uno, them. Looking at the group of people, uno, them. When I look at it, I can say, you are fine. Them might be singular. Plural is uno. Anye demma, ha demma. If I ask about your parents and you want to tell me 2 of them, both of them. If I ask about your siblings, plural, ha demma. So anything plural 2 and above, ha demma. Okay, please don't forget this. All right. Today I said we're going to go over the project that I sent out, and I want everybody to participate in that project. So let me share the share screen here, because I want everybody to participate in that project. And the first one, if you look here, you can see the screen. Can everybody see the screen? Can everybody see? Unmute yourself so that you can answer my questions. Can you all see the screen?
Yes.
No yes in this class. Or mba. Yes. Mba, no. Okay, since you can see my screen, I just want to. Okay, so how many of you have opened this assignment? Have you guys opened it? No, nobody.
No, I haven't.
Okay. Oh well. So I'm gonna go over the assignment, and I need you to pay attention. Pay attention to the due date, December 20th. So the assignment said, record yourself while having this conversation with your parents. One of your parents, daddy or mommy, or your sibling, any of them that can speak. And if you have your siblings in the house taking the class with you, this is the best opportunity for 2 of you to do that. 2 of you can have this conversation. One of you can be the parent or the actor. One of you can be the student. You don't even have to use your mom or dad to do it, but it would be nice if you can use them to do it. That's fine, no problem. But it's also good and acceptable for you to use your sibling who is also taking the class, unless if you live alone. But the 8 to 14-year-old are doing this. I don't think any of you are in this category. So the 15 to 24, this is where most of you fall in. The first one here said, is there any of you here 14? Any of you 14 here?
I am, but my birthday's like next week, so.
Next week. Okay, so you're going to join the group on the 15th. 15 to who is that? Is it Kendall?
Kelvin.
Kevin. Kevin, you're turning 15.
Mhm.
Ah, don't forget to tell me, because I'm gonna forget. Don't say you told Auntie already. No, you're gonna tell me. You're going to call me and let me know so that I won't forget. When next week, Kevin?
Next Saturday.
Next Saturday. Wow. Kevin is turning 15. Oh my gosh. All right. So Kevin, you're going to join the ages 15 to 24, okay?
Okay.
All right. So I'm going to go over this. Because I want you guys to know it, to see how it's pronounced. And the student, which is you, is going to say Papa. Papa means father. The meaning, you see the translation is over there, okay? Papa means father. Mama means mother. Nna also means father. Ne means mother. Okay. You can say mama, or depending on who is doing it with you, it's okay. So you say Ototo Oma. And Ototo Oma means good morning. And then the person acting with you say, Ụtụtụ ọma, ịrahịkwara ofuma. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Ịrahịkwara ofuma. And then you, the student, you say, arahụrụ m nke ọma. The actor, ị saala eze gị, ghụọ ahụ, kwado akwụkwọ. Ị saala eze means have you brushed your teeth? Showered or bathed? Have you taken your bath? And got ready for school? And then you, the student, will say, Mba. Mba means no. Anam aga, I am going. Anam aga ịsa eze, ghụọ ahụ, kwado akwụkwọ. I am going to brush my teeth, to take my bath, and get ready for school. All right. Then the actor, ngwanu. Ngwanu means all right. Ngwanu, gaa mee ngwa ngwa ka ị gaa n'oge. All right, go do fast so that you go on time. All right, then you, the student, will say, Mma or Papa, depending on who is doing it with you. Ọ dị ka o nwere onye na-akụ aka na ụzọ. Ọ dị ka o nwere onye means someone or somebody. Ọ dị ka o nwere onye na-akụ aka na ụzọ. Looks like someone is knocking on the door. Okay. And then the actor will say, Olembe, when is it? When is that? Or when? Olembe. When did that happen? Olembe. And then you, the student, will say, Anorum mbereba. Mbereba means bell. I heard the bell. Someone rang the bell. So anorum mbereba means that you heard the bell. Somebody, just like somebody rang the bell. Okay. Okay. The actor will say, Gaa lee onye dị ihe ahụ. Go see who the person is. Onye means the person, okay? Who? All right. Gaa lee onye dị ihe ahụ. Then you go to look. Make sure somebody videoing you is going to video you to make sure you really understanding what the conversation is going, why the conversation is going on. So you go look, and then you came back, and then you say, "Oh, nwegi onye m hụrụ." I didn't see anybody. Student. Akwadola m akwụkwọ. Okay. The actor, I think I skipped the actor. The actor will say, Gaa kwado akwụkwọ. Gaa kwado akwụkwọ. And then the student, which is you. Akwadola m akwụkwọ. Nne, nne, if it's your mom. But if it's not your mom, do not call your mom. Do not call your dad, nne, okay? Please, please, please. Akwadola m akwụkwọ. And then you're going to say too. Now, let me repeat that line again because I need you to pronounce everything well. Akwadola m akwụkwọ. Nne. I just put nne there as an example. Ị ga-akwaga m ka m ọ ga-agba ụgbọala akwụkwọ. Are you taking me or am I going to take the school bus? That's what it is. Ụgbọala akwụkwọ. Okay, the actor. Aga m akwaga gị. I'm going to take you. The student. Daalụ mama or papa if it's your dad, if it's your mom. So do not repeat. Do not say daalụ mama papa. No, no, no. Daalụ papa if it's your dad. Daalụ mama if it's your mom. Daalụ nwannem if it's your sibling. Okay, and that's the end for this one. Okay, and then for those, if you fall into this 25 to and above, especially some of you living in the dorm or maybe living by themselves, then the student, which is you. Mgbede ọma enyi m, nnọọ, ịkpọrọ m oku. Good evening, my friend. Welcome is nnọọ. Did you call me? Ịkpọrọ m oku. Did you call me? Oku means calling somebody. Did you? Ịkpọrọ m oku. Did you call me? Then the actor will say, mba. And if you know you cannot get your friend to do it for you, and if it's your friend doing it, that person can be reading out from the paper. If that person doesn't want himself or herself to be seen, it's okay. And if that person, your parent or anybody who is doing this with you, is okay for his or her video to be seen, fine. But I need your video to be seen, interacting, saying it that way is gonna let me know that it's you really having that conversation. Okay, the other person can be reading it, and then I can be hearing the person's voice. If that person opted out from being seen. All right. Then let me start it again from the beginning again. So you, mgbede ọma enyi m nnọọ, ịkpọrọ m oku. The actor. Mba. And then you, amaghị m oge ị lọtara. I didn't know that you're back. I didn't know when you came back. Didn't know when you come back. Okay. Parent or the actor. Ebee ka ị nọ? Where have you been? Where are you? Anọ m n'ime ụlọ m. I was in my room. Then the actor. Kedu ka akwụkwọ siri gaa taa? How did school go today? How was school? How was your day? Okay, then you, the student, ọ gara nke ọma. It went well. Ọ gara nke ọma. And then pay attention to the pronouns. Ọ represent he, she, it. Ọ means it. Gara, went. Nke ọma, very well. Then the actor, imeela. Imeela ọmụmụ akwụkwọ ụlọ. Ọmụmụ akwụkwọ ụlọ means homework. Have you done your homework? Imeela ọmụmụ akwụkwọ ụlọ. Then student, which is you. Mba. Ike gwụrụ m ugbu a. Achọrọ m ịga rahụ ụra. Aga m emecha ya n'ụtụtụ echi. Mba. Ike gwụrụ m ugbu a. Mba means no. I am so tired now. Achọrọ m ịga rahụ ụra. I want to go sleep. Aga m emecha ya n'ụtụtụ echi. I will get it done tomorrow morning. So pay attention to that. I get it done tomorrow morning. Now the actor, we say, iriri nri anyasị. Anyasị also abalị. Iriri nri abalị. Okay, so depending on your parents' dialect. And then the you, which is the student, we say, eriela m. Ị chọrọ ka mụ wetara gị nri? Yes, I ate. Do you want me to get you food? And then the actor will say, ngwanu. Ngwanu means all right. And then student, which is you. we say, Nri nọ n'elu teburu. I didn't say table. I did not say table. I said teburu. The way you say it in Igbo, even though it just sounds so similar. Teburu. Nri nọ n'elu teburu. The food is on the table. The actor will say, Dalo, which is thank you. And then you will say, Nsogbu adịghị, no problem. Kamu wetara gị mmiri. No problem. Let me get you water. And then that's it. That's the end of it. So this is for 25 and above. If you're living alone, if you're in the dorm, if you don't have anybody to do with, if you can't do with any of your parents or siblings or a friend who can speak Igbo or who can read out Igbo, call me. I can fill in that gap. And then for the 15 to 24, this is your own. Please, you need this. Your parents can do it for you, or your siblings that is taking this class with you can do it with you. Your sibling can be the actor, and then you can be the student. Or you can be the student, the siblings can be actors. So I would take that one because both of you are still conversing in Igbo. Then somebody videoing you guys has to get both of you. Then if any of your parents is okay for their video to show, that is perfect. That's fine. If they're not okay for their video to show, all I need is audio, just their voice coming out. Just like for example, I am the student. Then my mom is over there. And then I say to my mom, Ụtụtụ ọma, mama. And then my mom is going to be there. Ụtụtụ ọma. So the voice is all I need to hear. But if any of them are okay for their video to show, that's okay. All right. So please take it serious. I want you to do this. And then the pronouns. I will go over the pronouns after that. And I'll give you a chance to ask questions. I'll give you a chance to ask questions. So let me see. Let me go back to here. So I already posted the assignment since last week. I don't know if any of you went over, but please take it seriously and learn this. And please do very well. You have a question, you are free to ask questions once I open the floor for you to ask questions. And you can also text me anytime to ask questions, okay? All right, so I'm going to touch base on the pronouns now, in case if any of you have questions. If you don't ask me a question about pronouns, so I will assume that you know it already. You know that you don't even need help. Okay. All right, so when you're making a sentence and say, my friend. Okay, let me maximize it. If you say my friend, you say my friend. And you should know that my friend is, that pronoun there is enyim. And you see how the pronoun comes last. And then the noun first. Okay, say enyim. This M is possessive. The M is possessive. Enyim. Okay. All right, so if you want to say, dear friend, then it's enyi ha. Ha, you see that? Ha is there. Our friend, let's use another. Our bag, okay, you can say, akpa anyị, akpa anyị, anyị, our. I want you to pay attention to the pronouns here. Akpa anyị. Anyị is our. Okay. Okay. His money. His money is ego ya. Ego ya. Yeah. The ya is referring to his. I didn't say she now or he. I want you to pay attention there. He is here. He is here. Oh, no. Eba. Let me punctuate it. So I want you to see the difference between his and he. Okay. I just want to punctuate it. Like this. Okay. Oh no. Eba. So I use the pronouns to make the sentence. Oh no. Eba. Okay. Okay. Using. So it's basically what we're doing. We're using pronouns to make the sentence. Okay. Come on. Yeah. So using pronouns to make sentence. All right. So he is here. Oh no, Eba. He can be he or she. Don't forget it's the same. She or it. Okay, his money, or it can also be her money. Ego ya, okay. Her money. All right, it can also be its. Okay. So we also say here, Eno Eba, you are here. You are here. Now, A is representing you. You are here. Eno, Eba. Eno, Eba. All right. What is another one? Let's see. Did we use her? Okay, we didn't use her. Yeah, we use her. See, let me highlight all the pronouns. Her. Okay. You, and I was, oh, a. Okay, it's me. It is me. Mo. It's no longer that. It is me. It is me. Mo. See the mo. So both of them. Or you can say mo. The mo has to be punctuated. Mo. It is me. It is me. It is me. I want to make sure you're paying attention here. Okay. So make sure you know how to use these pronouns. Ha ga-abịa, they will come. They will come. Don't know this before. They will come. Ha ga-abịa. Anyị ga-abịa. Okay, I think I'm missing unu. Okay, let me use unu. Unu ga-abịa. You all will come. You all will come. Okay, ha ga-abịa. Unu. Unu, you can say unu or you can say unu niile. You all will come. You all will come. Unu niile ga-abịa. Unu niile ga-abịa. Okay, so that's how you use the words. So trying to use the pronouns to make a sentence. I'm trying to see. Oh, okay. All right, let's say it is you. Now another one I want to use here is unu niile. When you say okay, it is you. It is you. So okay. Okay. See that? So ge, you. So you see different ways to say this, how different ways to use pronouns. So you need to practice this on your own. You need to know it, because if you get lost now, it's gonna be so hard for you. So try to learn it. Learn it and learn to ask questions. It's not something you can do alone if you don't ask questions. You have to ask questions if you want to learn it. Please do so. Okay, now I'm going to open the floor for you to ask questions about the project. Ask anything you want to know about the project, any confusion at all, anything you want me to clarify. And then ask me questions when it comes to these pronouns, how to use them. If you are still confused, which one is which, how to use any of them, please, this is time for you to ask questions because I need you to do well on your project, okay? And that project, you have to really do very well. So now the floor is open for you to ask questions. So go ahead now.
Where do we turn it in?
The due date is December 20th. It's there. Once you open the assignment, you see the due date, December 20th. And don't wait till the last day to turn your assignment in. Try to turn your assignment in on time.
I said where, like,
You
how
can
do we
turn it
turn it
in
in?
to the platform we have. Turn it in there, or you can turn it into me on WhatsApp. Because the record,
Okay.
you turn it in through WhatsApp, okay?
Okay.
All right. Kedu onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? Achọrọ m ka unu jụọ m ajụjụ, jụọ na ajụjụ, jụọ na ajụjụ. You have to ask question. Achọrọ m ka unu jụọ ajụjụ.
I don't have any more questions.
Not even for the pronouns. So if I ask you a question, you guys will get it?
I have questions on pronouns.
Okay, Kevin, I want you to say it the right way. We always do introduction for the class. Ahambo. Then when I'm ajụjụ. Okay, whoever that was saying, go ahead. Is that you, Kevin?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, ngwa ahambo. Ikwu aha gị, your first and last name, and then enwere m ajụjụ.
Okay. Ahambo Chukwemeka Ohaya. Abredem Ajuru.
Okay, ngwa jụọ ajụjụ, Chukwuemeka.
When you say like we, or well, when you went over like the pronouns like before, was like the whole phrase a pronoun or was some of it a pronoun?
Okay, I highlighted it. Let me show it to you. Yeah, I highlighted. That's a good question. me see. What is the screen again? Okay, so 1 second. Okay, can you see the screen, Chukwemeka?
No, it's still on the project.
Okay, so let me go down. Okay, can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay, gonna yes, Chukwemeka.
Okay.
Can you say that? So now you see, I said my friend. Now, mine, the pronoun is mine. Then the so I highlighted it here so that you know what we're saying. You see that? So mine is enyim. Friend means enyi. So friend is, so the one highlighted is the pronoun. You see that? Chukwuemeka, did you see it? So the M, which is my mom, my dad, papa, that M there is mine. That's what it is. Anytime you're making a sentence with my this, my book, my house, my, so it is like, for example, if you say my house, olom, so now the noun comes before the pronouns. You see that? Like in English, mine is first, but in Igbo, it comes last. It's possessive. You see what I'm saying? So my friend, my house, my food. You say everything my. So it comes last. The pronoun, that is the pronoun. Now, there, the pronoun there is ha. So ha, the meaning of there is ha in Igbo. So if you want to say now, their boss is about to leave. Ụgbọala ha. So you let the noun comes before the pronoun. So ha, this is how you say there, theirs. Ụgbọala ha. So these are the highlighted ones are the pronouns. Now you say our bag. See that? So our. Akpa anyị. Anyị is the pronoun. Akpa anyị. Akpa unu. When you say akpa unu, and when you say unu, you're looking at a group of people from 2 people and above. You're looking at Kelly and Ken and say akpa akwụkwọ unu ka nọ n'elu. Akpa akwụkwọ unu nọ n'ala. You say their school bag is on the floor. Your school, you're looking at them and you're telling them your school bag is still on the floor. Your school bag is still upstairs. Akpa akwụkwọ unu nọ n'elu. You see, so you're looking at them is a direct talk. You're telling them, oh, your school bag is still upstairs. Akpa akwụkwọ unu. Unu. See, you're looking at them. You too. And then if you're looking at Kendall, you say, oh, Kendall, akpa akwụkwọ gị. Akpa akwụkwọ gị. It means you. This is singular now. Gị is singular. Unu is plural. Because this is you. Okay, so you see the last sentence here, it is you. Oh, okay. So you say, okay, who did this? It says you. You did it. Gị mere ya. Gị mere ya. You see that? So, oh, okay. So this is what we're trying to do here. I want you to know what is what, all the pronouns, what they are in English, Igbo and English. So you know that mine pronoun in Igbo is n, there is ha, or there is ha, our is anyị, nke anyị, it is ours, nke anyị, it is our, nkem, it is mine, nkem, it is mine, okay? Now, he, so I'm going to highlight this one. So, Chukwuemeka, did you understand it now? Chukwuemeka, you know about? Okay. So, onwere onye nwere ajụjụ? Onwere onye nwere ajụjụ? All the highlighted ones here are pronouns. Onye nwere ajụjụ. So onye ọzọ chọrọ ịjụ ajụjụ. Even if it's not related to what we did today. Go ahead and ask me a question. Jụọ m ajụjụ. I want you to learn. I want you to get something out of this class.
O nwere m ajụjụ.
Onye na-ekwu? Gịnị bụ aha?
Aha m bụ Unoma.
Nneọma, kedu aha last name gị?
Mmerimukwu.
Ọzọ, jiri nwayọọ kwuo ya. Ọzọ. I want to make sure that you're pronouncing your last name well. Our first class, some of them is like they're struggling with their last name, but I try to let them know at school, if your teacher is not, or your friends, they don't pronounce your last name well, it's your job to correct them. Tell them, this is how my last name is being pronounced. Help them to pronounce your last name well, because even, Russian names, Italian names, they have longer names than Igbo names, even most difficult names to pronounce, but they still get it right. So Americans, they should know how to pronounce our names. So it's our job to tell them, this is the name, this is how it's been pronounced. So I want to make sure that you guys know how to pronounce your last name. So I need to hear the last name again.
Aha m bụ Unoma Mmerimukwu.
Mmerimukwu, good. Mmerimukwu. And have you tried to find out the meaning of your first name and last name? If you don't know it, please ask your parent. I need to know what my name means. Okay? Please. Okay,
My first name. Oh, okay.
Yeah, tell me. Go ahead. Tell me. No, I would like to know.
My first name means good mother.
No, that's good. How about the last name, Meremuku?
I still don't know. I'll ask my dad.
Okay, now that's your homework, but I'll still tell you. Meremuku. Remember when I said merem, made me big. Uku means big. Merem, uku, merem means made. God made you big. It could be chuku meremuku. Some people just made it short. Meremuku made me big. It's like great. Meremuku, it could be made me great. You see that? So that is the meaning. So ask your dad, unless if there's something else attached to meremuku. Sometimes some people would say chuku meremuku means God made me great. So find out if it's the short form or that's what it is. It could be just made me great. Some people might have seen people answer chuku meremuku, but then they shorten it, like Ohaya. My last name is Ohaya. I have my nieces here, my nephews and nieces too. So Ohaya, you see, that your people will not leave you. Oha means people, with your own people will never abandon you. So, but Ohaya, so we have the short form of it, Ohaya. But if you don't know that that's the short form, you ask yourself, what's the meaning of Ohaya? Ohaya. You see, so you have to find out. But Meremuku means made me great. So ask your dad and see if there's something else attached to it, okay, Norma?
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
I mean, Dalu.
Dalu, okay, so was it your question, or you have something else to ask?
I have something else. I wanted to know, like, you said that the pronoun goes after the noun, when we're making a sentence.
Yeah, for example, see, my friend. In English, it's my friend. If you went and translate it like that to Igbo, like trying to put mine first. You see, for example, let's remove the M here and put it here. And then we just remove this one and say, enyi. Enyi. You see what I'm saying? So that is wrong. It's supposed to be the other way around. So it comes after the noun. See, enyim, enyim. Now, for example, another example. In English, you say Norma and I. The correct way, the grammatical way to say Norma and I will be going to the mall today. But guess what? You can't say it like that in Igbo. It is wrong in Igbo. If you put you first and then put me last, just like the way it is in English, then in Igbo now I'm going to say me and you. But in English, I know some people, they sometimes say me and you. Correct grammar, the correct grammar, me and you, is wrong. The correct grammar, you and I, is what is correct. Grammatically, me and you is not right. If you're doing essay in exam and you put me and you will come to my house, I eat today and go to the mall, it is wrong. You're gonna get maybe a 1 out of 10 because it is grammatically the English teacher. A good English teacher will know that it's wrong. It is you and I. But in Igbo, it is reverse. It is the reverse is the correct one, which is me and you. So that is the way it is in Igbo. So that's the way it is. Except like he is coming. You see that? He is, Norma is coming. That one is just pronouns. Norma is coming. You're replacing your name with the pronoun. That is the only time the pronoun starts it. If it's not your name there. You see what I'm saying, Norma? Ọ na-abịa, he is coming. But if you don't put he or she is coming, and we say, okay, Norma na-abịa, Norma is coming. And then if you say like an animal, a dog is coming, it is coming. You see that? So that is the only time when you're putting that person there. But if it's just something like me, my, onke, it is mine, it is me, it is you. So all this, and so that's how you say. So whenever you say my friend, my mom, my siblings, my this and that, and my book, my this, my, so it comes last. That possessive thing, the M comes last. Olom, my house. So that's how you make the sentence.
Dalu.
Email. Ị nwere ajụjụ maka the project?
Mba.
Okay. All right. Kedu onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? Jụọkwanụ m ajụjụ ugbu a. Ask me a question now. Jụọ m ajụjụ. Ask me a question. Please, Miss Biko, jụọ m ajụjụ.
I have one more question.
Kwuo ya n'Igbo. Kwuo aha gị.
How do you say I have a question again?
Okay, enwere m ajụjụ, but ị ga-ebu ụzọ tell me your name first. Tell me your name first. You say, enwere m ajụjụ. I have a question. You should know it by now. Is that Chukwuemeka again?
Yes.
Chukwuemeka, ngwa kwuo aha gị. Ekwuo enwere m ajụjụ.
Aha m bụ Chukwuemeka Ohaya. Anyị nwere ajụjụ.
Enwere m.
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Okay, ngwa jụọ ajụjụ.
Wait. So, what does Ohaya mean again?
Ohaya. People will not leave you. It's like Oha means people. Aga. Yeah. Your people will not leave you. It's like yours should be in unit, should be this one. You see what it is? You should be one. Ohaya, yeah. Your people will not leave you. It's like you have to join your own people. You have to be one too. It's like in unity. That's what it is. Ohaya, yeah. But the short form is Ohaya. Yeah, but the full meaning is Ohaya, yeah. That is like you going to join your family, do things in unity. You have to be in unity. So you have to do something, be the same. No division. That's what it is.
Dalu.
Email.
I have one more.
Okay, yeah, go on. Feel free.
Oh wait, I just forgot.
What? It was just okay. If you remember it, still ask me, because we still have time. Kedu onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? Kedu onye nwere ajụjụ?
Okay, I remember it now.
Okay, echetala m ya means I remember it. Okay, ngwa jụọ ya.
How do you say okay in Igbo? Or like
Oh.
oh
Yeah, okay means oh.
oh
So that's how you say it. Okay means oh.
oh
All right, so when you say okay, Chukwuemeka, emecha bịa weta ihe a ebe a. Oh, you say okay. Oh, I had you.
oh
Okay, I had you. Oh, anụla m o. Yes means
anolamu.
anụla means I had you. I'm coming means ana m abịa. So go over all the lessons and pick some of the things. And guess what? You can also test me. Auntie, how do you say this? Maybe you want to learn something, how to say something in a day. And then if you don't want to go to the lesson, you can test me. How do you say this in Igbo? I want to know how to say it. Test me. Don't shy away. Don't be afraid. Then I'll tell you, hey, this is how to say it. And I will also record it and send to you on WhatsApp. This is how to say it. Okay, it's not just testing you, but I will also record you and say, okay, this is how to say it. Then you know how to say it, okay? So I
Yeah.
want you guys to take it serious, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. No. A is yes. You want to say okay. Oh.
Oh.
That's how you say okay. Oh. Okay. Nwere onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? Nneoma nwere ajụjụ? Amarachi nwere ajụjụ? Ugonna, you didn't talk today. Amanze, all of you. Ada, hello ndị ọzọ nọ here. Unu ekwugaghị ụka today. Okay. Ngwa unu onweghị onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ. Ngwa, I hope you guys had a wonderful your Thanksgiving. I hope it went well. Did you all enjoy it? Only
Yeah.
Chukwuemeka is answering me. Did every other person enjoy the Thanksgiving?
Queen,
Okay. Also,
Amara.
Amara, okay. Okay, Amara. Amara, I didn't talk today. What happened? Amara Chuku. Amara, unmute yourself. I see you. Unmute yourself. Okay. Amara, you were not talking. Make sure you talk, okay? Make sure you do the project I sent. Can I hear your voice?
You can hear me, right?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, sorry, my Wi-Fi's being a little.
Okay, please.
Ask questions.
I'm here.
Okay, Amara, why you don't want me to see you? Come on. You're looking better than myself. Guess what? I'm not feeling well, but hey, I tried to put up a smiling face. To be honest with you, I said I'm not going to miss this class today. I have to give this class today. But I'm really sick. I'm very sick here. I don't know. It's not COVID though, but I don't know what's going on. But I said I have to give you this class. So I need to see your face, Amara.
Every time.
Amara, how old are you? Hi.
Sorry, can you ask that again?
I see you.
See?
You're looking pretty. Now tell me, how old are you, Amara? You're not talking, you're frozen. What's going on? Okay, good. So did you see the project, Amara? Make sure. Please do not wait until the last day. I'm talking to all of you. Do it. And Amara, guess what? You are so lucky. You see, your grandma is there. She's going to help you.
Yes.
She's going to help you. So she's going to act. Now, do not give me a excuse that you don't have anybody to do it with you. So she's going to do it. So make sure you do your own. If she's ready, if she's okay for her video to show, perfect. If she's not, hearing her voice is okay, but I need to see you having the conversation. Because I need to help you guys learn here, okay? Please call it a 10. I want you guys to take advantage of this. Just because the class is free doesn't mean you're going to take it for granted. Take advantage of it. Learn. Bug me. Ask me how do you say this? Because I want you guys to learn, okay? Please, please, please. I like a student who is going to be bugging me all the time. I know I'm busy. I have my family to take care of. But hey, teaching you guys is something for me too. I want you guys to learn it. And I want you guys to make me proud by showing me that you are really serious. You are really serious. And that the time I'm putting into helping you guys is not going to be in vain. So you have to make me proud, everybody. Please, please, please. Uh, some uh, some of you are doing very well. They will do something with the pronoun and send to me. Is it right? Then I'll tell them it's okay. Even if I'm busy, even if it's 1 a.m., I still respond to people. So I want you guys to take it seriously, please. So I want you guys to have a wonderful weekend and please do your chores. Be a good child. Wherever you are, whether you are living in the dorm or at home, always be yourself and keep yourself safe out there. Do not go walk around going everywhere because of COVID. You need to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay? I love all of you. Have a wonderful weekend. Look at
Email
that.
Bye.
Nobody
out.
loves me. Nobody's saying anything. Look at
Email.
that. See?
We
Email
love you
out.
too.
Okay,
Bye.
they were
Love you too.
no. Que me
Bye.
hello.
Dale.
All right. Wow. Ah. Okay, okay.